Everyone, good afternoon. It's a little bit chilly today. I just finished my art class there. I was from the American consulate, and then yes, I was invited by a small NGO collaborate with American consulate to have a art class today. It's so fun, enjoyable, and in my class actually there are some people 10 people from different countries, so I'm so happy. I'm surrounded by international people. I've got Japanese friend, Thai friend, from Russia, from Ukraine, from Iran, from many countries. I'm so happy, and we learn a lot, sharing about the cross-cultural things. Amazing. So I just finished my class. I'm happy. So now it's time to stroll around to showing you my daily life actually in Poznan, Poland. I show you the short navigation. Basically there is the Plac Wolności, and then here is the road to go to Rynek, and that's the building over there is the American embassy, and I was there and doing my art class with the another people and with the another NGO. So yeah, I'm going here every Wednesday. So now it's time to have a lunch break. I will take you somewhere. It's there before in the consular agency, and then now let's go there. A short navigation, that's the Zamek Królewski where we were, and then there that way is the Rynek, Stary Rynek basically. So I want to have a lunch basically, and then I call Damian like, honey, I'm in the area of Stary Rynek, and boom.
Hello. Hey, what's up everybody? How you doing, guys?
He just walked from nowhere.
Nowhere. Magic.
You can smell me where I am.
Done.
Okay, let's have a lunch together. Kochanie.
So last time somebody decided didn't even say hi to you guys. So yo, what's up everybody? How you doing? I hope so you're keeping well. So I'm recently pretty busy, as you maybe noticed, or maybe not, trying to develop my company, my business. Either way, it's pretty good. It's busy actually enough, but still trying to develop more and more. That's the most important thing. And that's it. What I'm gonna tell you. Winnie is doing the YouTube job right now. I hope so you enjoy her videos. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, little support, and I'm gonna have a kebab. But also you can meet me in Poznan. You never know where I am because I'm pretty flexible with everything. So that's why, like now, just text me. I'm here. Okay, I will be in 5 minutes, and here I am. that's what we call flexibility of owning the business. You can always find the time for everything and for everybody, which is the most important thing. Something what you not necessarily can do if you work for somebody else.
Had our lunch together. Now it's time to have a coffee o'clock. Oh, look at this, the buskers. So let's find the owl. It's owl time.
And he's playing the Jozin's Bajin. Do you guys Polish especially people remember Jozin? That was about the political thing anyway. That was funny joke, funny meme from the Jozin's Bajin. If you don't know, just Google about this one.
All right, let's go. So o'clock. It's 12 o'clock, and basically that's the ice cream, the coffee, cake, and the place is so packed with people everywhere. The bakchas here is so cantik, yeah. And so this is how it looks inside. This is fika time, coffee o'clock. So all of this cost 38 zloty. Smacznego, kochanie. Always have a good time together, right? That's the best thing. The most important thing. Damian has to go back to work, and we already finished our fika time.
which is coffee time in general. We took it from Ayaki last time because they call it fika in Sweden. We have also Sweden viewers, I guess, so you can confirm that. So I'm going back to work. I leave Winnie with the camera. She's gonna make us some cool video for you. I will see you next time as always, alright? Take it easy, guys.
Time to explore, and this one is the Pepco shop. I'm not going there, but I will show you around how it looks like the street. Point check, and this one is the shop. So many things. This is basically how it's the situation, and the walking street during the weekdays is not that busy. Inside there are so many interesting stuff, so you can buy here. Oh, like the one oleh-oleh that from Bali, like this one, so many nice stuff. Surprisingly that I found a tiger balm here, my favorite one, so I'll take one. There are many things here, so nice, aromatic, many things. There are so many things basically. Wow, and the bowl, everything you can find here in Poland. Dress or something like this. Wow, everything is here. But so many nice stone here. Cool, yeah? Also sell oleh-oleh here from the Poznan. Many nice stuff. So we were there buying the balm for my mama-in-law. Really love that balm because she got rheumatism. So let's keep walking. And very nice weather today. I'm going to the Stari Brovar. This one is another entrance of the Stari Brovar. Let's go inside. Look at this statue. Amazing, right? And we are inside the Stari Brovar. This one is actually another wing that I haven't showed you because last time we just were in different wing. So yeah, let's go. So if you remember about this place, the restaurant and the glass door, so basically this is a beautiful architecture. Wow, so fancy, and that's in front of me, and restaurant. Interesting is there a Chinese statue here. So let's see. Wow, look at this one, fancy. Third floor there is a food court. It's just like this behind me, and yeah, there are many food here, McDonald's, Chinese, this one, but I just want to buy my ice cream. I think that the fourth floor over there is the offices. You see, like Connectis Global BPO Solution. So yeah, this Stari Brovar is like everything is here. If you remember about this place, basically that's the restaurant. Seems like busier in the afternoon, and so yeah, we will go there basically this way. We will go home soon. At that on the top rim, if you remember about this architecture, and now down there is a special shop about olive. And here is actually the explanation about the Opertus lunula umbra. Ah, here it is. Wow. Art Station Foundation, and here is the explanation for you. Look at this beautiful fountain. Wow. Small but enjoyable. It's happy to see that many people are sitting outside nowadays enjoying the sun. Amazing. We are outside of the Stari Brovar, and yeah, I think that's all my video today, guys. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye. Just another day in Poznan, Poland.